Thank you for tuning in to Jen's Beauty LLC TV. Today we're going to be trying some beauty products from the Glow skincare line, newly released on the www.jensbeautyllc.com website. So we're going to be walking through each product that has been released with our beautiful model today, Nichole. She's going to be here with us throughout the whole journey. She's going to be using the products and letting us know how easy they are to apply and how she feels about every product. So just for this episode, it's like a mini mommy makeover. You know, we have Mother's Day coming up. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. It's all about me.
So Nichole is a beautiful, beautiful mom of two beautiful girls, and she is doing her thing, but we know how it is. Having two little ones, running around all the time and having to run behind them. Who has time for skincare routines? This is gonna be a super easy skincare routine that you can do right as you put the little girls or little boys to bed. And then you can come in real quick, do your skincare, and then go to sleep. Wake up in the morning, woke up like this, flawless. Yes?
Yes.
Flawless.
Can't wait.
Okay, so the first product that we are going to be trying is the mask. This is a detox mask.
Okay.
So the reason for a mask is really just to get your blood flowing to your face.
All right.
To get you only do it like 2 to 3 times a week. It depends on you. I only do it like twice a week because you don't want to over dry or over detox, right?
Right.
So the detox clay mask is going to come like this. In glass. It is powder. It's powder because I want you to put it together at your home so it doesn't dry out.
Wow. So
Yeah.
I add something to it.
Yes. You add water to it. You can even add honey or eucalyptus oil, whatever you feel comfortable with using on your face. Today we're going to be using the powder and water only. Okay.
That's interesting. I've never seen that before.
We're going to take, it's going to come with a wooden spoon. So all you do is take 2 scoops and you put it in here in the bowl. You can use any bowl. It's fine. You're going to sit that down. You can mix it. We have the mask. We have the mask set that you get from Amazon, but you can get it from Amazon. You go to the dollar store. You can do it in a plastic bowl, plastic cup, whatever you want to do. And then we have the scraper. So all you do is add a little bit of water.
Warm or cold?
It can be warm.
Okay. Just kind of get it in there and feel it.
So what you do, what you're looking for is like a paste consistency. So you get that in there and just mix it up. And remember, this is only 2 to 3 times a week, so you don't have to do this every night. So this is not something that you have to do as your daily routine.
How's that looking?
So that is looking great.
All right.
Okay. Okay. So we have, so with clay mask and anything that you're really applying to your face as far as detoxing mask, anything like that, it is good to always use a scraper, or not a scraper, or something to apply it. It's never really good to put it on with your fingers, only because the oil from your fingers break down the clay.
Wow.
So it's not really, you're not getting the maximum benefit that you can actually get from that.
Okay, so the scraper, or maybe like a spoon from the kitchen, like if I use the back
Yeah,
end?
you can do that, the back end of a spoon.
Yeah.
You can even get latex gloves if you're not allergic to latex gloves. You can use gloves. Anything that the oils from your fingers can't pierce through.
Smart.
So because this is my model for the day, I'm gonna apply for her.
That's so special.
But normally you just apply it to your face.
Oh, I love that smell.
And remember, you're gonna just take your time and just apply it. You don't, unless you're like really rushing off to bed. You can always do this before taking a shower. Get it on there and then get in the shower and rinse it off.
feel like my 3-year-old would enjoy putting this all over my face.
Yes, you can look. It can be a mommy and me project.
Pink mommy's face. My 1-year-old might be a little scared.
Your mommy and me. And this is safe for little girls. Just not as much like you might, just so they can feel part of the process.
Yeah. Water has gone a little.
Mm-hmm.
It's all natural, right?
Yes, it is. All natural.
That makes me feel good.
Yeah, you want to use stuff that you are comfortable with using and it's not harsh on the skin.
Stuff that you can read.
Mm-hmm.
All these
like
names.
all the ingredients of
Yeah.
it.
Oh, that feels so nice. Just keep doing this.
Tuck my We're gonna do another process for the lips, and so this, you don't need this on your lips. Just turn to me.
I can feel it starting to get tighter already.
So you normally leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes,
Okay.
but it's really up to you how long you want to leave it on.
What's the maximum?
The max, I would say like 10 minutes. I want to leave it on longer than that because you don't want to dry out your skin.
Right.
So once you see it start to dry, you can okay, it's time to rinse.
It's gonna tell you it's time by the dryness. Okay.
And it'll start feeling like your face is tight.
Oh, this.
Okay.
How do I look?
You look fabulous. Doesn't she look fabulous?
Oh, this is a look.
Yes, it is. All right, so we're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then we're gonna be back and do the rest of the process.
Felt like I was getting a facelift. As it got tighter and as it dried, it felt like my face was being like Kim Kardashian,
So
It was awesome.
the clay mask, it will make your face tight. When you take it off, it may be a little red, only because remember the blood circulation is now coming to your face. So don't be alarmed if you're lighter skin tone and you see that your face is a little red. It's gonna be fine. It'll just go back. It's just to plump up your face because it's detoxing and getting all the unnecessary stuff out of your skin.
Yeah.
So looks beautiful.
I feel beautiful already. What's next?
So the next one is gonna be the oil cleanser. So the oil cleanser is one of the things that you would use to kind of clean off your makeup.
Okay.
Like say if you're not doing your clay mask at all,
Okay.
and you're just doing your normal nightly routine,
Yes.
this is gonna be the first thing. So you'll wipe off your makeup. Some people do this and not wipe off their makeup, but depending on how much makeup you have on, ladies, do the wipe off your makeup and then your oil cleanser. This is a pre-cleanser. So it's really just getting your face ready for your wash.
Okay.
Okay?
Pre-cleanser.
This is okay to put on with your fingers because it's actually just washing your face off and rinsing your face off. So give me your hand. Good.
Got it.
Okay. So you just mix that together
Okay.
and then add it to your face. And you just rub it in.
That feels so good. This won't make my skin oily?
No, this is actually gonna pull out all your extra stuff that you have going on in your skin as far as makeup and if you're out throughout the day and air getting on your face, anything else.
That feels so good. And my skin feels soft just from that clay mask. Oh, can I just keep doing this?
You can.
We just cut the camera and I just do this for another 5 minutes, please.
You can just rub it in, circle just like that, circular motions. You don't want to take too long because you remember you have to go get to bed. I know, I'm so sorry, but you have to get to bed.
What about my lips?
Your lips, we're gonna do next.
So don't.
Nope.
Okay.
You don't have to put that on your lips. With Jen's Beauty LLC, we got everything covered, so you don't have to put this on your lips.
I don't want to stop. Don't make me stop.
Okay, so we're gonna have to make her stop.
No.
So this way we can move on to the next product.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna just rinse this off like normal. You can use warm water to rinse this off. You have to rinse it off. Okay. We're gonna rinse it off. She's like, no, I don't want to. Oh, that feels so good. The next one that we're gonna go to is gonna be the face wash. It's the turmeric face wash. And while we have her here, before she goes all the way back, we're gonna just put the turmeric face wash on.
Okay.
Maybe it's thick. Let's see. Just so okay.
Got it. Oh, that one gets foamy. Oh. Now, what's so special about turmeric?
So turmeric, it actually lightens up any dark blemishes you may have on your skin.
Wow.
So a lot of women of color, we have hyperpigmentation in our face, and this actually brightens up those areas. So for me, it's like the corners of my nose, the corners of my mouth.
Me too.
Those are like the dark areas for me. So I use it all over my face, of course, but turmeric is really good for those areas as well.
And for me, after I had my babies, I got a little bit under my neck and in my chest area.
Yeah.
I can maybe even have a little fun with this.
Well, for your body area, we do offer a turmeric body soap.
Oh,
So
wow.
you can use that on the rest of your body, which I have been using, and it's like really good.
You sell
like
that?
I do sell that. That's also available on the website as well.
Okay.
And for those inner thigh areas, for those women a little thicker in areas,
It rubs together.
right? We use a turmeric body soap, and it'll lighten those areas as well.
This is so nice. Just want to do a slow motion. Just do a slow motion.
So, okay. We're gonna rinse that one off. And the next one is gonna be the Hibiscus Rose Toner. Now the toner is really, some people hear the word toner and they think, I don't need to be darker. And that's not really what toner does. So you've done your clay mask. You've done your oil cleanser. You've done your face wash. Your skin kind of needs some hydration. It needs something to be put back into it. So that's what the toner really does for you. It puts back good things into your skin.
All the things that we may have stripped.
Right. So it's like it balances it out.
Look at me. I'm a good looking mama. I'm going to say it. You don't have to say it. I'm going to say it too. You got to encourage yourself sometimes.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Don't wait for nobody. So with this one, we're going to do an extra step. We're going to put the toner on. Okay. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. You really just patting it all over your face. You want some more?
Yes, please. Got a big face.
Just patting it all over your face and getting all those areas that we worked on. So remember, I did tell you guys that we had the lips covered. With Jen's Beauty LLC, we do offer a lip scrub. They're called lip slushies, all different flavors. They're available in 8 ounce and 2 ounce.
I love that. Lip slushy.
Lip slushies, you'll see in a second. So with the lip slushie, this one I mixed just for Nichole. It's grape and papaya.
How'd you know?
Grape and papaya. So this is the 8 ounce bottle. This is what the 8 ounce will come with, and every single lip scrub, no matter what size, comes with a lip scrubby brush.
Okay.
So all you do is take your lip brush.
Okay. Oh, that's like grape Kool-Aid.
Get some of it.
My childhood. You know, if my lips get too soft, I might be having another baby.
Okay.
Watch out now.
Jen is always available.
Okay, and like I'm brushing my lips.
Yes. Just like you would brush your teeth, you brush your lips. Remember, a lot of times throughout the day, you lick your lips, things get on your lips, is, you know, exposed to the air, just like everything else. Lipstick is very harsh on your lips, different makeups and things like that. So you do want to, you know, take care of your lips as well.
I want to eat it.
Don't eat it. Okay. Lip scrubs, it's like an exfoliant. It is an exfoliant for your lips. So just like you would do like a sea mask or some kind of salt mask on your face, it's the same thing for your lips. And it'll make your lips super soft. This has mineral oil and grapeseed oil in it, along with sugar. And then whichever flavors you choose. Okay, again, we have to rinse stuff off, guys. So
keep going.
Sometimes we do have to take things away,
okay,
and so they can get rinsed. Thank you. Thank you so much. So rinse your face as well, because we do have the toner on there.
So I'm rinsing the toner off too?
Yes, you can rinse the toner off. So the last step of your process is going to be your facial moisturizer. Your facial moisturizer is actually going to just seal in everything.
Okay.
Okay?
All the magic we just put on my face.
All the magic.
Okay.
So this is going to seal in everything, and then you can go to sleep. Wake up in the morning refreshed and new and beautiful.
I'm still into these lips right now. I need to kiss somebody.
Your husband is okay. So we're gonna the facial mask.
Thank you.
And that's a little goes a long way. So it is oil based. So
because I have very dry skin.
yeah. So this you're gonna put on and it's gonna just work. You know, if you have a facial steamer, this would be a good time to add that into your regimen. You can steam your face, put eucalyptus oil in your water or lavender, whatever scent or oil you feel that you love or like. You just put that in it and let it steam your face, and it'll seal in everything.
Girlfriend, this is it. This is everything. Oh wow.
So all the products that you've seen here today are available on our website. And our beautiful mommy of two is now ready to get some rest and wake up flawless, because she woke up like that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I want to thank Nichole for being my model today. And I love you guys. Stay just positive, guys. You can do anything that you want to do. Yeah. I love you guys. Check in with me on Instagram at Jen's Beauty LLC. I love you. Good night.